Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to set up Autopay for a Lendingclub auto loan. Managing loan payments becomes much easier when you're automated. Lendingclub offers an Autopay feature that allows you to schedule recurring payments for your auto loans directly from your linked bank account. This helps you to avoid missed payments, late fees, and potential negative impacts on your credit score. To get started, log into your Lendingclub account through the website or the mobile app, and then navigate to the payment section and then select Set up Autopay. You're going to be prompted to enter your bank account details, and if you haven't already linked one, then you should do that right there. But most users simply connect their checking account by providing their routing and account number. But you may also be able to verify instantly through secure bank login integrations. Now, once your account is connected, choose the Autopay date that works best for your financial schedule. Many borrowers align this with their payday to ensure that funds are always available. You can typically set payments for the due date itself or for a few days earlier as a buffer. The system will then automatically withdraw the loan installment each month without requiring manual actions. It's still a good idea to monitor your account balance just to make sure that you have sufficient funds available. And if a scheduled payment fails due to insufficient funds, you may face penalties, so it's good to be vigilant. But yeah, you can also update or cancel Autopay at any time if your banking details change. By activating Autopay, you gain peace of mind knowing that your Lendingclub auto loan is always paid on time, making your financial life smoother and more predictable. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.